F yeah, you can facelift your F-250. The new hybrid XB LED headlights from Morimoto are inspired by the design of the OEM LED headlights on the 17 Plus trucks and come with a ton of the same great features that the big boy headlights do at a price that's a few $100 less. So you know the drill, let's do this. Using a combination of both LED and incandescent bulbs, aka hybrid, these offer much of the same amazing features that the original ones do. The LED daytime running light is still insanely bright, easily visible during the day. The optics used in that daytime running light are shared with the high-end version of the XBs too, which really kicks ass because that's a fan favorite for those who are shopping for an upgrade. Inside, the diffuser that covers the DRL has the same smoked lens. However, they do have an amber LED side marker and of course use a halogen bulb for the turn signal in the middle. They use the same great OEM housing that won't fade or yellow over time too, which is a big distinction over other aftermarket headlights. The XB hybrid headlights have a powerful wide and bright LED low beam projector and a dedicated LED high beam projector too. The optics were specially developed just for use in the new hybrid lineup to produce a killer beam pattern despite the more affordable price point. These things are also completely DOT approved. The LED projector optics meet and exceed all SAE, DOT and FMV SS 108 regulations when aimed properly, which is pretty easy to do using the simple vertical adjuster on the back of the housing. You shouldn't have to do too much tweaking there because they do come pre-aimed from the factory, at least for a truck with the stock ride height. These things are much more than an upgrade that looks good. They're going to far outperform most other headlight upgrades that you can buy too on the road at night. These things are designed to work on your truck without any modifications, so if you're not really one for wiring, not to worry. There's only 3 connectors that are simply plug and play with the factory wiring. One for the low and high beam, one for the turn signal, and one for the DRL. I don't know about you, but I'm a big fan of anything that packs a lot of bang for the buck. The new Morimoto XB LED hybrid headlights for your 11 to 16 Super Duty have everything, but they cost less. If you've got one of these trucks, put your vehicle into the buyer's guide on our website at theretrofitsource.com and check them out.